How to use Live Listen with AirPods on an iPhone. Well, to use Live Listen with AirPods on an iPhone, you need to add the hearing control to your control center. So you can scroll down your notification bar, tap and hold on here, tap on Add a Control, and you want to add hearing control right here. Now, once you add hearing control to it, right? All you gotta do is next. So you can see hearing accessibility here. You can see live listen option, tap on live listen and you wanna enable it and you can add it, right? Now, once you have done so, you'll have to activate listen live within the control center. Simply activate this, and once you activate this, now I don't have any earphones or headphones connected or AirPods connected, but once you have done so, you'll be able to listen it live by enabling this simply once you're connected to your AirPods. So it's pretty simple. I hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.